Oh my, I did not see this one coming. For sure, I did not. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. You know what? I'm very happy, and you have put me on land, and you have made my journey maybe easier than it could be without you. Thank you so much. If you will watch this, just know I appreciate a lot for subscribing to the Dayooz experiences. I want to share just my experiences in this village life. I mean, in one of the villages in Kenya. Yeah, I'm in the countryside. So thank you so much. Let's grow together. Let's see where I will be. Time like this, maybe next year or 5 years to come. Let's just grow together. And I want just us to be authentic, this channel to be authentic. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. I might not know you, but maybe sooner or later when we interact, I will know you. Oh, thank you so much, my first subscriber. You had that courage to come to my channel, watch a video which had no view. I think you subscribe to the video which you watched as the first person, because by now my highest viewed channel has 6 viewers, and yesterday is when I saw a subscriber 1. Oh, I think did not see this coming. Thank you so much. You don't know how much you have put me on track. We'll continue doing this thing, at least to grow from where I am to at least, if not up here, even here is better, right? Thank you so much. I'm so happy I saw your subscriber. Yeah, I thank you. Today is on a Monday. It's 1st of December. Wow! Happy new month for those who will watch. Happy new month of blessings, a Christmas month for the Christian people. Yeah, I don't know how your Christmases start, but us here it's just normal. It's a normal day. Christmas nowadays in Africa, or let me say in my experiences, are not that where they were when we were kids. Nowadays things are just there. Yeah, that is for our village, let me say that, because I don't know other places, but where I have been so far so good. They are not that fancy as they were, buying that canoe cloth, canoe shoes. No, maybe people just eating some nice meal. Oh, thank you, my subscriber. And I saw your subscribe button. I saw your subscribe yesterday, which was on 30th November, and I started posting my videos on 1st November. So if I have 5 videos and you came through just for me, thank you so much. I will try as much as possible to make good content so that you are not bored, you get excited watching them, and at a point my viewers, you should give me some content, kinda like content you will love watching. Yeah, and I will try my best to make them. Here we will just see experiences in this countryside, and also have that life communication. You know, sometimes life can be lifing till you say, oh no, I'm done with you. But never give up with life. Continue pushing. The Lord, I believe in God. The Lord I serve, the Lord I know, He had a purpose. He had a purpose of you being on this world. You are not here randomly. There was a reason for you being here. So don't give up in life. Thank you so much. Don't know what to do. My eyes, they itch so much. So let's hope for the best next time. Thank you so much. I appreciate. Thank you. Don't know how happy I am for this one subscriber. Just 1 month after posting my videos. It's not easy on YouTube like other platforms, but thank you so much. If I feel like giving up, I will remember you. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, Dayooz.